Hello, good morning. Welcome to SAROJINI SMART LEARNING. So, thank you for watching my videos and supporting me. And for the last few episodes, we are doing videos on basic mathematics for the primary section. So, sometimes these calculations definitely will help for the middle school and higher school also. And even for the competitive exams, who are preparing for the competitive exams, for them also it is useful for you. So hope you will enjoying the program, and we'll go step by step manner. And in the last episode we are discussing about the length, the distance, measurement of length, measurement of distance, like millimeters, centimeters, meters, and also about kilometers. Yeah. So for the last few episodes we have done on measurement of length. Today we are going to do with weights, measurement of weights. Yeah, just if you see this one, measurement of weights. So that is for mass, that is for a mass content. So whenever we want to measure something, it may be like for us or any item or any we call quantity, so then we can measure in weights. So in weights also generally we have milligrams, okay, grams and kilograms. Here we have three types. They are milligrams, grams and kilograms. So milligram symbol is mg, gram symbol is g, and kilogram is kg. So first of all you have to understand when we use this mg, when we use this g and kg. Suppose if we go to any grocery shop and buy rice, wheat, sugar, onions, tomatoes, generally we take in kgs, that is in kilograms. Okay. Like spices, if you take in the kitchen where spices, turmeric or whatever, that will be in grams, like we call 100 grams, 200 grams, 50 grams, 25 grams, 10 grams, like that. Now where you use this milligram, milligram generally we use for costly things, example like gold or silver, so we can calculate in milligrams. And as well as generally if you see the medicine, in medicines also, the quantity of the medicine will be in milligrams. Generally, if you see a tablet, like a paracetamol tablet or a Dolos tablet, so it will be like 500 mg or 200 mg or 50 mg, 10 mg, okay, 5 mg or like that, 600 mg or Dolo 650 mg, like this. So we have milligrams, sorry, mg, this is mg, milligrams, especially for the medicinal values. Okay, so when we use tablets we use these milligrams, and for grams we use the kitchenware, the spices, etc. And for bigger things like rice, wheat, sugar and other things we use in kgs. This is the basic step you are going to learn. So how to convert it? How to convert from milligram to gram, gram to kilogram, we will find out. Okay? 1000 milligrams make 1 gram. This is the first part. 1000 milligrams make 1 gram. Similarly, 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. These are the two things you are going to do it. 1000 milligrams make 1 gram and 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. Okay. If I give, there are 2 kgs. So how many grams were there? So 2 into 1000 grams we can write. That is 2000 grams. Simple. Converting grams to kilograms to grams, we have to do multiplied by 1000. Okay. I'll give one more example. So in milligrams we have 1 milligram, 2 milligram, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50, 100 and so on in milligram. In grams also again 1 gram, 2 gram, 5 gram and 10 grams or 100 grams, you can take, or 250 grams or 500 grams, etc. In kgs, you know that 1 kg to till 1000 kgs also we can measure. So these are the different weights. Okay, if you go to shop, you'll find some weights with the iron material. So on that it will be like this. 1 kg. So that means this weight is of 1 kg weight. So when we take any material from the shop or from the market, they will weigh in kgs and they give to us. Okay. So actually weight is measured in grams and milligrams. Kilograms. So these two words you have to remember. Weight. Generally weight is measured in grams and kilograms. The standard measure of the weight, standard measurement of the weight is kilogram, or in shortcut we call kg. This is the important point you are going to learn. Milligrams to grams, grams to kilograms and kilograms to grams, grams to milligrams. First we check. As I told, suppose 1 kg 250 grams is given. Now you want to convert in grams. So here we have to split 1 kg separately plus 250 grams separately. Now already this grams is given now, but here it is kg. So why don't you convert this kg as 1000 grams plus 250 grams. So 1000 plus 2000 plus 250 makes 1250 grams. So this is 1250 grams. This is a simple way. Okay. Suppose 13 kg 5 grams is given. You may get doubt how to make only 5 grams. So as I told you, split it. 13 kg plus 5 grams. 13 kgs means 13,000 grams. Because already I told 1 kg 1000 grams, 2 kg 2000 grams, 5 kg 5000 grams and 13 kg 13,000 grams plus 5 grams. Now on addition it will come like this. So 13,005 grams. Don't write like this 13,500. 13,000 it is. So it is 005 will come. Okay. So in this way you can write down. One more. Suppose 27 kg 45 grams. Convert into grams. Again split here. This is 27 kgs. This is 45 grams. 27 kg is nothing but 27,000 grams plus 45 grams. So this is 27,000 plus 45. So which makes 27,045 grams. So 27,045 grams. So this is a simple way of converting kilograms to grams or kilograms and grams to grams. Okay. So hope you understood the basic simple knowledge on weights and conversion, and in the coming videos also we will do in an elaborate manner. Okay. So hope you understood and keep watching my channel. Thank you very much.